Have you ever thought of how to create the karaoke version of any song of your choice? What I mean is separating the instrumental from the actual vocals of that song. If you ever thought of how to do that, come let me show you how you can create instrumentals of any song of your choice and sing along with it for fun. The first thing you want to do is go to your browser, any of your browsers, and type on vocal remover. Vocal remover.org. You can just go ahead and do vocal remover.org. Vocal remover, click on this one here, right here. It brings you to this environment. If you want to browse, click on my files and select any particular place where you know you can find the particular music you want to convert to instrumental or to create a karaoke version of it. Let's say, for instance, I want to do Asha featuring Caveman, or you want to do any of those songs you created using your AI. When that happens, you wait for it to be uploaded. How fast it uploads depends on the size of the audio processing. So the AI is going to process the audio and then separate the vocals from the instrumentals for you. Alright, so we have it right here. On the top of it is the music, while the down here is the vocals. So let's play and see. So that's the instrumental up there. If you want to include the vocal again, now you see the vocal. Now you can see the vocals are playing the music. Now we can take off the voice and we have just instrumental. Oh, na, 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 na. You understand? Okay, so we can have the vocal. Good times are always so. You understand what I mean now? Okay, so I have been so cold, and I wanna be with you, my friend. My friend. So that's just it. I know you love it. Why not try it? And it's even giving me the exact key the song is made in, key F. Alright, so try it out and let me know what your result is. And I wanna be with you. Alright, see you in the next one.